Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an hexagonal explosion box. So guys, before starting, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button for the new notifications of my videos. Yes guys, if you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you really like, then share with your friends. So now let's get into the video. This is a combination of red, black and off-white. So this is an hexagonal shape and this is an explosion box. It goes like this. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets. In this first pocket, I have attached a small note card with a crocodile clip. Here, this is a plain page. You can write thoughts or you can add the photos like this. It goes like this. Similarly, I have capped like this. Similarly, this is a simple plain small card with, if you want to write small quotes, you can write small quotes. If you want to stick a sticker, then you can stick a stickers. And here also, these are plain. You can write thoughts or you can add photos here, and it goes into this pocket and this pocket. These both are same pocket. Here I have attached a ribbon so that it can move here like this. Here I have done with her dry colors. This shade I have given with the dry colors. So two pockets are same, and these two pockets are for goodies. You can keep these stickers or you can keep these small crocodile clips for goodies. Now second pocket, second portion goes like this. It also have, obviously it is an hexagonal, it also have 6 pockets. In this first pocket, this is an envelope. You can keep written poem, or you can just keep the photos, bunch of photos, or you can keep the thoughts like this. Similarly it goes in this pocket. This is also an envelope to keep the photos or a poem written in a page, and it goes back like this. In this pocket, this is just an opening. You can just open it. You can stick a photo or you can write a poem with a silver glitter pen. It is just a simple opening. It closes like this. It has similar ones in this. It has 2 like this. Okay, and this is like a tag. You can open this ribbon. This is like this. You can stick the photos, you can write the thoughts here like this, and again it goes like this. Like this. It has similar ones in this pocket like this. basically I have kept the 6 pockets with 2 in the combination of the same. This goes like this, and this one like this. Okay, now the last compartment. This is an opening. This is the first portion. You can just keep, you cannot stick a photo because it has second compartment, so you can just keep a photo, or you can just write a love quote, anything on a small paper and just keep it. This goes like this. This is the second. You can write thoughts, you can write poem, or you can stick a photo in this because it's the last compartment. It closes like this, and just you can tie a ribbon. Now finally this compartment, this is the final. It also has the 6 pockets, but all the pockets are with same tag like this. You can write small quotes in this, and nowadays the photos can be created of any size, so you can stick the photos also like this. There's also heart smiley in this. So these are 6 basic tags. This I have uses the flower punch. You can get these punch on local stationeries. Okay, now this is a hexagonal small gift box. This is simply a gift box in a hexagonal shape. You can keep this, you can keep inside somewhat goodies, or you want to give for your Valentine, then you can keep a ring inside it, and anything which you want as per your choice. And just it closes like this. Just like this. So guys, this is a full card. It goes like this. Yeah, and this is like this. So guys, if you really like the video, then please give me a thumbs up, and you can share with your friends. And yes, main thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that bell button for the notifications of my videos. Thank you so much all.